trying to break the mirror.
Anything I need, I'm able. So as far as what I'm bringing to the table, I bring me. Get mine, about mine, go hard. You can throw another.
What's up, you guys? This Quisha, baby. And today I'm going to do the animals in the mirror hilarious reaction video. So I'm just going to look at it and see how it goes. So I hope you guys enjoy. So let's get started. Animals in the mirror. Supposed to be hilarious. So let's see. Oh, they're putting that mirror up fast too. Look at that. I wonder what gave them this idea to put a mirror up in the jungle. Huh. Okay, leopard. What you trying to do there? Oh my gosh. He's trying to break the mirror. I'm scared of him. Oh my. That leopard's not playing, y'all. Okay, 8. He cleaned the mirror with his hand. He bring no paper towels, no nothing, huh? I guess he said the mirror gotta get clean one way or the other. Elephant like whatever.
Hey! No, lift it up. You doing it right there?
Oh, he's trying to be real sneaky, trying to sneak up on himself. Oh, okay, bird. It's like they formed the line, like. That was a nice little video, only like what, about 2 minutes long. That was all right there. The animals are hilarious, you guys. They are so funny, you guys, so funny. So hope y'all enjoyed my video. If y'all new to this channel, make sure you subscribe. So thank you guys for watching. Until next time, Team Quisha, y'all. Write in the comments below, let me know what y'all want me to react to next. All right, thank you guys for watching. Bye.